In pre-industrial times, there were no pens, computers, and papers. People had to find a simple way to share ideas or to tell stories. One way they did this was by using sharp rock and metal, tools to draw or carve symbols on cave walls or stones. The person who did this was like an early writer or artist. He would take a hard rock or metal piece and sketch pictures or signs onto walls or stones. These drawings could show animals, people, or important events like hunting or celebrations.
Uy, Por! What's up? Yung ginagawa mo? Gumagawa ka na nito. Hindi mo talaga gumawa yun. Magbasa nga. Ano? Gusto mo ako?
You are my everything. 별처럼 쏟아지는 운명의
Age, media advice will lead the group work for the digital age, raising the ongoing need to critical thinking and media literacy skills.
Go, go, Power Ranger! Gusto ko yung red dyan eh.
Yun ang pinapanood mo, mukhang maganda yan. Ano yan?
Power Ranger! Ako yung red.
Ako yung red? Medyo, ang labo ng TV mo, ang pangit tignan. Gusto mo makita mo TV ko? Ito TV ko. Maganda ang TV ko.
Maliit naman yung TV.
Okay lang, alam mo bakit ginaganto na ito? Marami na itong channel, tsaka maganda yung yung gilid na ito, tsaka hindi siya malabo, malinaw siya.
Electronic age began in the mid-20th century, marked with the rise of electronic devices and digital technology. Like this, which transforms how people communicate, access information, and work.
Patapos na! Patapos na! Ba't nawalan ng signal? Walang signal! Paparin na ako sa internet namin, kaya palang hina ng signal ha!
The internet is the primary technology driver of the information age. Like this, acting as a global network connecting billions of devices and facilitating the rapid exchange of information. Its impact extends to almost every aspect of modern life.